Harness the transformative power of aligning your corporate real estate strategy with your business goals, propelling your organization towards unprecedented growth and operational excellence. Ignite and foster a thriving culture of innovation within dynamic and cutting-edge workspaces that inspire collaboration and creativity. Align your company's values and aspirations to attract and retain top talent, setting the stage for productive work experiences that surpass expectations. SIREAS offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to align your business objectives with your real estate strategy and drive your organization towards extraordinary outcomes. SIREAS equips you with the necessary tools to achieve goals such as optimizing operational efficiency, enhancing employee engagement, and driving cost savings.
At SIREAS, we work with our clients to facilitate collaboration and communication across different stakeholders. And this really helps to foster a unified approach that aligns the business objectives with the real estate strategy. We provide a centralized platform where key decision makers can effectively collaborate and develop innovative solutions that really unlock the full potential of their real estate assets.
Harness the power of SIREAS to find new opportunities, capitalize on market trends, and proactively adapt your real estate strategy to align with ever-evolving needs of your business. The result? Harmonious integration of business objectives and real estate assets that enable you to achieve exceptional outcomes and stay ahead in today's dynamic and competitive landscape. Are you ready to take your organization to new heights?